Welcome back to my channel, everyone! Eggs from the sky! Lucy, come see! I'm gonna try opening this! Oh wow, it's 2 packs of snacks! It's empty in here! Chicken! So great! We should go home and make a tasty meal! What chicken are we going to make today? Do you have any ideas for me? I just had a cool idea. I made heart-shaped chicken. Do you find it interesting? So wait for the result at the end of the video. Let's get started, guys. Add spices to the chicken. Mix well by hand. Heart-shaped meat. So perfect! Crush the snack into pieces. Let me help you. Smash gently. Okay, easy job. Too strong. Oops, my bad. Let me clean up. I cleaned it up. Pour out 2 snack boxes. Seasoning all around. Let's fry. Smells really good. Fry until cooked evenly. Let's enjoy together. Delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Cheetos just got delivered.
Please sign here before taking your order.
Okay. I'll make Cheetos cheese today. Need chicken to wrap outside. Wash it carefully. Mince the chicken well. Season it for perfect taste. Don't skip vibrant veggies. Roll it up to look like a chicken drumstick. And dip it with Cheetos to make it crunchy. We should deep fry it. Surely going to be tasty. Wow, that's really eye-catching. Yummy. Move away, quickly. I'm okay, thank goodness. But this bike I just got cost a fortune. I just learned a way to fix this bike. Let's check it out. Begin by giving this bike a good wash. Good news, there's still keto in the fridge. Did anyone notice this is a burger? Now, join me in preparing the cake filling ingredients. Press the meat into a flat circle. Now, stack the fillings between the burger layers. Guess what's coming? Connect the bike with the burger. Looks really funny and weird, doesn't it? Let's take a pic.